What about your attitude? How would you describe your state of certainty?
I think these are important questions to be answered. And
but do you feel more uncertain than you felt at any other time in the past 42 years?
No. I mean, but I feel in the last 5 years, do I believe this is a more uncertain period of time? Yes, I do. Look at the question I'm raising is this 1994 when the markets were very concerned about growth. Actually, the Federal Reserve, you remember, eased when they should have been probably tightening, and so they got it wrong too. And then the market reasserted itself, and we had a 5-year bull market. We may be in that position. The market may be wrong right now in that GDP will continue to grow. The trade conversation is not that difficult for international commerce, and M&A and share repurchase will continue. If that's the case, we'll wake up in a year from now and the markets are going to be up 10 to 12%.
What's the flip side?
Well, if we have a true tariff wars, we'll see the markets down 10 to 15%. So I do believe...
You wouldn't call this a tariff war?
We haven't... No. We'll see what happens in the next $200 billion proposal that the U.S. government has done with China.
Between now and the end of August.
Yeah, so right now it's talk. Let's see if there is a resolution on that.
Why aren't tariffs on $50 billion of Chinese goods and tariffs on steel and aluminum imports and tariffs that are being imposed on the Europeans with retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods, why doesn't that constitute a trade war?
Well, it is a minor trade war, but it has very little impact on global GDP. It's just too small yet. But symbolically, it is having an impact. It's having an impact on investor sentiment. And that's what we are seeing right now. We are seeing investors pausing until there's greater certainty.